delicious beef burnt ends. And the first thing I want to do right now is what I have to do first is get my garlic together. And the one thing I want to do first is after cutting my garlic and making sure everything does look good, I want to steam up my garlic a little bit. Just steam my garlic up a little bit. What do I do is put it in a foil wrap, and once I apply a little bit of salt and oil to it, I wrap it together and do the same thing to the onions. I steam up my onions too. Clean it, make sure everything is clean, and put my onions in the foil paper also. Put a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil to it. And once I'm done wrapping it also, I put both of them inside the oven. Just make sure they steam up a little bit. Make sure they steam up like close to 5 minutes ish. And the next thing I want to do next is go to my beef. There's a whole lot of process in between, but we'll break it down for you. First of all, after cleaning it, you want to apply a little bit of oil to the beef. Add a little bit of mustard cream. Apply it on both sides, on both ends. And once you verify that everything does look good, the next thing you have to do is add your pepper, your little ingredients. Like if you have your salt, add your salt. If you have your salt, add your paprika. Apart from the paprika, make sure the paprika goes around also on the mustard cream, on the mustard cream. Make sure everything goes around. Once you verify that everything does go around, next thing you want to add is a little bit of salt. You don't want to make the salt really, you don't want to make your beef really, really salty. And apart from the salt, you want to add your ginger, you want to add your pepper and all that good stuff. So the next thing I do right now is put it inside a plastic bag, foil bag, and just make sure everything goes around. Put a little bit of salt, and once you verify everything is all steamed up together, this is where you seal up. This is where we have to marinate it for close to like 4 hours. And once you're done, we marinate it for 4 to 5 hours. Remember the steamed garlic and the steamed onions. This is when we apply it, on the beef, on the delicious beef burnt ends. Once you put it there. You try to make sure you apply few ingredients to it. You clearly take, for instance, the pepper and those sauce to it. Fold everything and throw it inside the oven. When you throw it inside the oven, you want to make sure it spends close to an hour there. And after leaving it there for close to an hour, I apply my beer to it. This is Corona, but you can use any form of beer you want to use. Apply your beer, and once you're done applying your beer, just leave it there for another 15 to 20 minutes. And once you're done with 15 minutes, you put it back on the board. And this is where you see right there, just to verify the beef is well done. You see right there, that guy is well done. And once you verify that, you cut your beef into cubes. Take your time. Just cut the beefs into cubes. And once you're done cutting the beef into cubes, the next thing you want to do, you want to put it inside the foil pan. Once you put it into the foil pan, this is when you have to add few ingredients. I will show you a few of those things you need to add. You want to add your onion barbecue, the onion barbecue sauce. You want to add it. I got that guy for Walmart. And once you're done adding that, you want to add a little bit of after the barbecue sauce, you want to add a little bit of those habanero, those steamed onions and steamed garlic. Add everything together. Make sure the salt is enough. If the salt is not enough, check it out also. Then you put it back into the oven. Make it steam for another 5 minutes, and this is my end result right here. Yeah, this is my delicious beef burnt ends. Oh my god, that guy looks so good. And apart from that, it's looking so yummy. Check out this video. Try this recipe and let me know what you feel. Oh my god, look at that guy right there. Oh god, it's really hot. Look at that guy right there. Really yummy. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to that channel. Subscribe my channel. Hit that like button and hit that subscription button. Thank you.